Today we'll start combinational circuits. Basically, digital system is divided into two categories: combinational circuits and sequential circuits. So first of all, we'll talk about combinational circuit, and we'll start combinational circuits, different combinational circuits today. So in digital circuit theory, combinational logic circuit or combinational circuit is a type of logic circuit whose output is a function of the present input only. So in combinational circuit, the output is a function of only the present input. Okay, but when we'll talk about the sequential circuit, it is a bit different, because in sequential circuit the output depends not only on the present input but also on the history of the inputs. Okay, so in other words, we can say that sequential circuit has memory but combinational circuit doesn't. One more thing about combinational circuits: combinational circuits can have one or more inputs and one or more outputs. Okay, but logic gates are connected between inputs and outputs to generate the required outputs. There are some combinational circuits: addition for addition, subtraction, multiplication. Okay, so for addition there are four combinational circuits: HA, that is half adder; FA, that is full adder; and carry ripple adders and carry look ahead adders. These are the four combinational circuits for addition. Now for subtraction also we have four combinational circuits: half subtractor, full subtractor, borrow ripple subtractors, and subtraction using adders. This is not a combinational circuit, this is we are using adder, half adder or full adder हम use करके we have to do subtraction. Okay, so that in that combinational circuit we'll use BCD. Okay, BCD codes हम use करेंगे. Okay, now the third one, for multiplication, there is only one combinational circuit, that is combinational array multipliers. Okay, and उसके बाद some more circuits, some more combinational circuits: code converters, multiplexer, demultiplexer, encoder and decoder. Okay, so these are the combinational circuits. So one by one we'll see. First of all, we'll talk about half adder. So half adder is a logic circuit for the addition of two 1-bit number. Okay, so addition of two single bit binary values. Okay, so here we have taken addition by adding. When we are doing addition of two single bit binary values x and y, so it will produce one sum, a sum and a carry out. Okay, so sum we have will denote by s, and c out, carry out. Okay, so now the combinational circuit, the logical circuit gates is this one. So x and y, and what we have done, so sum कैसे मिला हमें? By applying XOR. Okay, x and y में XOR apply किया gate, then we got the sum. And when x and y we have taken and gate लगाया तो C out मिला. Okay, so what is the so how we can in Boolean algebra, what will be the Boolean expression for s? So x XOR y. So x XOR y मतलब कि x y bar plus x bar y. Okay, and this is C out. X and y and gate लगाया तो we got C out. So for C out, what will be the Boolean expression? X and y. Okay, x multiplied by y. So now this is the truth table. How many inputs are there? Two inputs. How many outputs? S and C, sum and carry. Okay, so 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, so what will the value of sum? Sum के लिए यहाँ पे क्या values होगा? 0 0. So what we are applying here? XOR apply कर रहे हैं. So you know about that XOR. truth table में क्या होता है? If in case of XOR, when we are applying XOR and x and y two inputs are there, so what will be the value? क्या होता है? 0 0 के लिए when both the inputs are low, or both the inputs are same, या तो low हो या both high हो, in that case the output will be low. And when both the inputs are different, then the output will be high. It means both the input are same, both input same है, so that time the output will be low, मतलब कि 0. And both the inputs are different, मतलब 0 1 1 0 ऐसा रहेगा, then the output will be high, मतलब 1. Okay, so both the inputs are same for 0 0 and 1 1. So here we'll write the output is low, output will be low, that is 0, and when the both the inputs are different, then output will be high. Okay, now we'll see C out. C out के लिए क्या है, we have applied AND operator and operation किया है. So X and Y, तो AND operation के लिए क्या होता है, that will be AND will be output will be 1, output will be high if both the inputs are high. Okay, so both the inputs are 1, then only output will be 1, otherwise output क्या होगा, 0. Okay, so this is the truth table for this half adder. Okay, I hope you understood half adder. Okay, now we'll talk about full adder. So half adder, you understood half adder we have seen, and in that it was for addition of two single bits. Okay, single bits. Okay, but single bit binary values. Okay, but in case of full adder, this is a full adder. Okay, full adder, we have three inputs. Okay, three inputs, two inputs are there and one carry in. Okay, when multi-bit addition is done, in that case the carry bit, a half adder has only two bits, only two inputs. So there is no provision of adding a third bit, a carry coming from the lower order bits when multi-bit addition is performed. Okay, so in case of full adder, this is, if we will remove this one now, C in, it will become half adder, two inputs and two outputs, sum and carry out. Okay, but for multi-bit addition, so multi-bit addition carry in will be there, like lower order carry in coming from the lower order bit. So in lower order bit we did addition, so we get some carry, that carry out will be for that lower order bit में जो carry out रहेगा, that will act as carry in for this. Okay, and इसका जो carry out रहेगा, that will be added to the next or higher order bit के लिए. Okay, so that will understand, हम ripple addition देखेंगे, adder देखेंगे ना, you will understand how it is connected. Like when we have some adder, okay, addition, we are doing two inputs and one carry out and one sum. Okay, so that carry out will come here, and we have to add here. So carry in and x y will add, and then one carry out and one sum will get, and this carry out will go to the next higher order bit के लिए वो carry in की तरह act करेगा. Okay, so यहाँ पे जो carry in है, that is coming from the lower order bit. Okay, वहाँ से वो carry out है जो यहाँ पे carry in will add here. Okay, simple addition में what we are doing, if we have 3 digit number, so first ones को हम add करते हैं, and something we are getting, some sum we are getting, वो हम लिखते हैं, and जो carry आता है उसको हम ऊपर लिखते हैं ना. So next tens के साथ when we are adding tens वाले numbers, so वो carry को हम add करते हैं, then whatever we are getting sum वो हम लिखते हैं, and again carry we are writing over the hundreds के पास जो है numbers उसके ऊपर लिखते हैं, right, and again hundreds के साथ वो हम carry add करते हैं. Okay, similarly here also we'll do lower order bit से जो carry आ रहा है, carry out, that will act as carry in here, because that will act as input here. Okay, so 1 2 and 3 things we are adding. Okay, so they will add this, and what sum we are getting वो यहाँ लिखेंगे, again carry जो है वो carry out होगा, and that will go to the next, मतलब कि higher order bit में वो carry in की तरह जाएगा, I mean input की तरह, that will add with the two inputs जो रहेंगे उसके साथ ये carry out भी, that will go to the next, मतलब higher order bit के पास जाएगा, and वो उसको add करेंगे. Okay, so ripple like 4-5 bits bits addition जब हम देखेंगे, 4 bit adder हम जब देखेंगे, तो you will better understand. Okay, so now see the circuits for this one. So in full adder there are 3 inputs, so there is a provision of adding multi-bit. Okay, addition के लिए यहाँ पे provision है, but in half adder there is no provision of adding multi-bit, because only 2 bits are there, 2 bit addition होता है वहाँ पे, there is no provision of adding multi-bit when carry coming from the lower order bit से जब carry आता है, तो no, there is no provision, हम add नहीं कर पाएंगे क्योंकि there is only 2 inputs. Okay, so we now we'll see for this one. this is input, 3 inputs are there, and this is one output, this is another output, this is sum, this is C out. Okay, now we'll see X, Y and C in. Okay, वो बहुत complicated होता, so C S के लिए, sum के लिए and C out के लिए I have done separate circuits. Okay, separate circuits we have taken. X, Y and C in, 3 inputs are there, and what we'll do, XOR will apply in X, Y, and then जो resultant आएगा, that resultant will be X XOR Y होगा ना, so that and C in का again XOR apply करेंगे and then we'll get sum. Okay, this is the logical circuit. Okay, now तो ये combination circuit S के लिए, और now next is C out के लिए हम देखेंगे. 3 inputs are there, X, Y and C in. तो X, Y and C in is there. तो input C मतलब carry input है. So 3 inputs are there, and what will be the output? C out क्या होगा? X and Y, X and Y. Okay, X Y करेंगे, then X and C in. Okay, and Y and C in. तो and operator will apply everywhere, X Y, X C in and Y C in. Okay, okay, and so there are 3 inputs ना, और तीनों को आपस में will combine, और तीनों के and operators हम लगाएंगे, तो इन दोनों को लेंगे, फिर इन दोनों को लेंगे, फिर these two. Okay, we will take, and whatever result we are getting, like X Y, X C in, Y C in we are getting, we'll add, तीनों को हम ऐड करेंगे, मतलब we'll यहाँ पे हम अप्लाई करेंगे और ऑपरेटर. ओके, लॉजिकल और ऑपरेटर विल अप्लाई, एंड व्हाट रिजल्ट विल गेट? C out हमें मिलेगा. ओके, नाउ विल सी बूलियन एक्सप्रेशन एंड ट्रुथ टेबल फॉर दीज सर्किट्स. ओके, सो फॉर S के लिए, सम के लिए हमने कौन सा सर्किट यूज किया था? XOR एंड XOR. ओके, सो XY, so sum के लिए the boolean expression for S will be X XOR Y XOR C in. Okay, and carry के लिए हमने क्या किया था? We all the सब दो के combination में we have done and operator apply करके and then or operator apply किया था, मतलब XY plus XCI plus YCI. Okay, मतलब C in, X C in and Y C in. Okay, so XY plus X C in and plus Y C in. Oh, so these are the boolean expressions for X S sum and carry out के लिए. ठीक है, now how to do this? X Y हमने XOR लगाया ना, तो you know जब भी हम XOR लगाते हैं for these two, so जब भी वो different रहेगा, this will be 0 0 0 आएगा, 0 आएगा. When we are getting something different ना, then only it will be 1. Okay, फिर अगेन ये डिफरेंट है, 1 होगा, इसके लिए 1 होगा, इन दोनों. वी आर जस्ट, आई एम शोइंग यू हाउ आंसर्स आर कमिंग, मतलब S के लिए वैल्यूज हम कैसे लिखेंगे, एंड ब्रेक करके मैं बता रही हूँ. सो X Y पहले हम करते हैं अप्लाई. ओके, X XOR Y. ओके, सो दीज टू 1, बोथ आर सेम. ओके, व्हेन बोथ द इनपुट्स आर सेम द आउटपुट विल बी लो, मतलब 0 होगा, अगेन 0. ओके, नाउ ये 4 हमें 1 मिला. Now we'll apply this with this one. Okay, when these both are different, तो आंसर ये तो सेम हो जाएगा, so it is 0. Again this is same, 0 0, so यहाँ पे भी 0. Now this 0 1. Okay, now this is 0 and यहाँ पे 1. Again XOR we are applying, X and Y का XOR हमने अप्लाई किया. Now C in के साथ XOR अप्लाई करेंगे, so 0 XOR 1. Both the inputs are different, then we'll get the output will be high. Here both the inputs are different, so output will be high. Both the inputs are same, so output will be low. Both the inputs are different, so high. Both the inputs are same, low. Both the inputs are same, so low. And both the inputs are high, different, so high. Okay, तो ये हुआ what we got? 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. ठीक है, now C out के लिए हम देखते हैं. तो C out के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, हम चेक करेंगे कि if anyone, अगर कोई भी एक this one या this one या this one, कोई भी एक अगर 1 आता है, if anyone is 1, we are getting 1, so क्या होगा? C out will be 1, because adding by 0 1 से हम किसी भी चीज को will add ना, will get 1. Okay, so first of all we'll check for X Y, X and Y. so इसके लिए क्या होगा? 0 होगा, this one. Okay, तो इसके लिए तो 0 आ रहा है। तो when we'll get 1, 1 कब आता है? when 2 inputs are 1, when both the inputs are high, then only we'll get high, then only output will be high. So in case of this one, हम check करते हैं ना, कहीं भी अगर 2, because x, y and x c in and y c in. So any 2 are 1, कोई भी अगर 2 1 है, कोई भी 2 inputs are 1, I mean high, so output will be high because addition हम कर रहे हैं. So यहाँ पे हम check करते हैं, these 2 inputs are 1, okay, y and c in. So y c in 1 हो जाएगा ना इस केस में, so we'll get 1 here. Now यहाँ पे 2 inputs 1 है, तो x and c in, तो x c in रहेगा तो ये 1 हो जाएगा ना. Now this is x and y, x y है, so both are 1, तो यहाँ पे ये 1 हो जाएगा. Actually this should be here. हाँ, यहाँ पे तो ये 0 ही रहेगा. Now x, इस पे सारे 1 आएंगे. 1 when we will multiply these two 1, when we will multiply these two 1, so it will be 1. बाकी सारे 0 0 0 0. Okay, so it will be 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 1. Okay, so this is the truth table for full adder. Full adder के लिए ये truth table, these are the boolean expression and this is the diagram. Okay, so circuits for boolean expression for full adder हमने देखा, boolean expression for this C out and S के लिए boolean expressions देखा, truth table देखा, and we also saw the diagram. And I hope you understood the difference between half adder and full adder. Half adder में what we are adding, that is for 2 single bit binary values, okay, only single bit. और full adder में there will be 3 inputs because C in and जो भी that is coming C in मतलब that is the carry coming from the lower order bits. Okay, so in full order there will be 3 inputs x, y and c in, carry input. Okay, input carry मतलब lower order से जो carry is coming. Okay, and c out will, so in next video we'll see 4-bit adder. Okay, ripple adder we'll see. Okay, hope you understood the concept. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.